We're at the mountain station of the Goldbelt Tramway. It's here in Juneau, Alaska. It's another Dover, Alaska Pacific.
Impulse.
Looks like another 90s era Impulse, it looks like. This one looks way more used. I already got one ticket of this, but it was pretty busy. We'll cut till it gets here. There we go. Not silent. Yeah, Alaska Pacific. Another one. A phone. Yeah, it was probably replaced. Capacity is 2,500 pounds. Behind us on one is where the kitchen is. I don't want to open that.
Coming out?
Yeah, we're going out. This one has an intermediate because it goes to the basement. I'm just taking one ride on this. It's so busy. This thing is a bit rough. Actually, if you go out that way, you can go to get some views. I might do that. That's technically the lobby. L. Click It Theater, guest services.
Oh, here's the guest.
Yeah. The kitchen opened up. The kitchen opened up. You can see the Dorval logo down there and down there. Yeah, opened up. Probably because I pressed up again. It was gonna go down, but it's gonna go up. I guess it parks on the basement when nothing's pressed. There's a clip of the basement, or at least what I tried to. Alright. Alrighty. Lower logo down there.
You're on the joint too.
There it goes. And that's gonna be it.